Dorm Life Unleashed, 17 hacks to transform your college dorm experience. Life hack: elevate your bed's height using a loft kit. Maximize space under your bed for storage or other purposes with a loft kit, if permitted by your school. Life hack: invest in a memory foam mattress topper. College dorm beds are often simple and not very comfortable. Life hack: make use of lightweight rolling drawers or short height storage containers. Optimize dorm room space by utilizing the area under your bed for increased flexibility in arrangement. Life hack: optimize both space and time by organizing your clothes in a manner similar to books. Maximize drawer space by folding clothes and stacking them on their edges, allowing for easy visibility and efficient packing, especially suitable for t-shirts. Life hack: attach shower curtain rings to the bottom of a hanger. Attach shower curtain rings to the bottom of a hanger to conveniently hang ties, belts, scarves, and similar items for easy access. Life hack: optimize space using hanging shoe organizers. Hang shoe organizers on doors or raised bedsides to store various items efficiently. Life hack: differentiate cords and cables by using bread tabs or washi tapes, label tabs with markers, or use varied colors or tape patterns for easy identification and improved organization. Life hack: manage cords and cables by using binder clips. Attach clips to a desk or table edge, then thread each cord or cable through the handles of its designated clip. Life hack: prevent wall damage by utilizing picture hanging strips. Hang pictures on the wall using picture hanging strips or creatively display printed photos by clipping them to a string with clothespins. Life hack: acquire a reading light that clips on. Read without disturbing your sleeping roommate by using a clip-on reading light. Life hack: amplify your phone's alarm volume by using a glass. Summarizing this short sentence: use a glass to amplify the volume of your phone's alarm. Life hack: put on shower sandals. Ensure protection from potential foot infections in shared showers by wearing shower shoes, especially in less than sanitary conditions. Life hack: add water while reheating leftover pizza in the microwave. Prevent a chewy crust by placing a mug of water next to your pizza. Life hack: wrap your food in tortillas before consuming. Cut down on dishwashing by opting to eat your food on tortillas. Life hack: organize your preferred takeout menus in a single binder. This allows for swift ordering without the hassle of searching for individual menus. Life hack: refresh your dorm room by using a cool, damp towel to reduce stuffiness. Achieve a cooling effect by placing a towel over an open window or using a fan with a frozen water bottle in front. Life hack: keep a readily accessible first aid kit. Be prepared for unexpected situations with easy access to essentials like bandages, pain relievers, cold medicine, allergy relief, and stomach remedies. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.